My name is Jennifer Swanson, and I am the co-author of Lego's Amazing Universe book, a 1-pound book for World Book Day 2025. I love to write books about science because I'm a curious person, and I hope that readers that enjoy my books, they will also want to learn more about the world around them, just like I do. So one of the other books I've written is Lego Amazing Earth. And this is all about ecosystems and environments and biomes on our very own planet. This book will not only give you tips and explain some of these awesome systems, but it gives you a way to build them. So you could build even a rainforest, a desert, or an earthquake in this book. Another book that I've written is Brain Games by National Geographic Kids. And this book explores the amazing computer that's inside your head called your brain. There's lots of fun activities to do as you read it. But basically, any of the books that you find that I write are all about exploring your world and being curious.